welcome back to another video. With this, we want to find the first derivative. So we're going to have dy dx, which is equal to y prime, is equal to, when you want to find the first derivative to a function in the lane, you take 1 over the function inside the lane times differential of the function inside the lane with respect to its variable, and here it is x, right? So we have dy dx equals 1 over x plus square root of s squared plus 1 times differential with respect to x plus s squared plus 1 or exponent half, right? So from here, we're going to have 1 over x plus square root of s squared plus 1 times, we want to differentiate this, right? So differentiate x, you have 1 plus differential of s squared plus 1 exponent half. You're going to drop the half. Then you have into s squared plus 1 exponent negative half, right? Then you differentiate the inner function, and that is going to be 2x, right? So from here, we're going to have 1 over x plus square root of s squared plus 1 times 1 plus 2x over 2 into s squared plus 1 exponent negative half, right? So from here, we can say that this is equal to 1 over x plus square root of s squared plus 1 times 1 plus x into s squared plus 1 exponent negative half, right? So from here, we can say that we have our dy dx equals 1 over x plus square root of s squared plus 1 times 1 plus x into s squared plus 1 exponent negative half, right? So we have 1 over x plus square root of s squared plus 1 times 1 plus x into x squared into s squared plus 1. Exponent negative half can be expressed, this can be expressed as 1 over square root of s squared plus 1, right? So from here, we're going to have this. When we find the LCM for that, we have x plus square root of s squared plus 1 times this. When you find the LCM, you're going to have s squared plus 1 plus x all over square root of s squared plus 1, right? So this, we are going to have x plus square root of s squared plus 1, right? All over square root of s squared plus 1, right? So that is the multiplication aspect. Then all divided by x plus square root of s squared plus 1, right? So we're going to have x plus square root of s squared plus 1 all over s squared plus 1 or under the square root sign divided by x plus square root of s squared plus 1 all over 1, right? So we're going to have x plus square root of s squared plus 1 all over square root of x squared plus 1, right? Times 1 over x plus square root of s squared plus 1, right? So from here, you can see that this and this goes off. So we're going to have 1 over square root of s squared plus 1, right? So this becomes the final answer to this particular problem. This becomes the final answer to the lane problem. Thank you very much for watching. I really appreciate your time. Don't forget to subscribe, share with your mates, and I'll give you more updates.